An electrical arc flash is a dangerous and explosive release of energy caused by an electrical fault or short circuit. It occurs when an electric current passes through the air between two conductive surfaces, creating an intense burst of heat, light, sound, and pressure. This phenomenon can happen in high-voltage environments, such as industrial settings, power plants, or electrical substations, and poses significant risks to workers and equipment. Key facts about electrical arc flashes. 1. Causes of arc flashes. Equipment failure, aging or faulty electrical equipment. Human error, accidental contact with live components, improper use of tools, or failure to follow safety protocols. Environmental factors, dust, corrosion, moisture, or other contaminants that affect electrical systems. Insulation breakdown, worn-out insulation leading to unintended electrical discharge. 2. Effects of an arc flash. Extreme heat, temperatures can reach up to 35,000 degrees Fahrenheit 19,400 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the sun. Blinding light, intense flashes can cause temporary or permanent vision damage. Pressure waves, the explosion generates a powerful blast that can throw people or objects. Flying debris, molten metal and shrapnel can cause severe injuries. Fire hazards, arc flashes can ignite nearby flammable materials, leading to secondary fires. 3. The injuries caused by arc flashes. Burns, severe thermal burns are the most common injury. Hearing damage, the loud noise from the explosion can cause hearing loss. Vision impairment, bright flashes can damage eyesight. Fatalities, in extreme cases, arc flashes can be deadly due to the combination of heat, pressure, and fire. 4. Prevention and safety measures. Personal protective equipment, PPE, flame-resistant clothing, gloves, helmets, face shields, and ear protection. Proper training, workers should be trained on electrical safety and hazard awareness. De-energizing equipment, always turn off and lock out equipment before maintenance. Arc-resistant gear, use arc-resistant switchgear and enclosures to minimize risks. Regular maintenance, inspect and maintain electrical systems to prevent faults. Safety labels and barriers, clearly mark hazardous areas and restrict access to unauthorized personnel. Why perform an arc flash demonstration? An arc flash demonstration is a controlled, educational simulation designed to show the devastating power of an arc flash. These demonstrations are critical for 1. Raising awareness. Many workers underestimate the dangers of working with electricity. A live demonstration visually reinforces the importance of safety protocols. 2. Training employees. Demonstrations help workers understand the potential consequences of mistakes, such as improper handling of tools or neglecting PPE. 3. Promoting compliance. By witnessing the destructive force of an arc flash, employees are more likely to adhere to OSHA regulations and NFPA 70E standards, electrical safety guidelines. 4. Encouraging safe practices. Demonstrations emphasize the need for de-energizing equipment, using proper tools, and maintaining safe distances from live circuits. How does an arc flash demonstration work? 1. Setup. A controlled environment is created using specialized equipment, such as dummy circuits or mock panels, to simulate an arc flash safely. 2. Triggering the arc flash. A deliberate fault is introduced to create the arc flash under controlled conditions. 3. Observation. Participants observe the intense heat, light, sound, and pressure generated by the arc flash. Sometimes, mannequins or test materials are used to demonstrate the impact on humans or equipment. 4. Discussion. After the demonstration, trainers explain the causes, effects, and prevention strategies to reinforce learning. Real-life examples of arc flash incidents. Industrial settings, arc flashes have caused catastrophic injuries in factories, refineries, and power plants. Utility workers, linemen and technicians repairing live lines are particularly vulnerable. Data centers, arc flashes can disrupt operations and damage expensive IT infrastructure. Conclusion. An electrical arc flash demonstration is a powerful tool for educating workers about the dangers of electrical hazards. By understanding the causes, effects, and prevention methods, individuals can take proactive steps to ensure their safety and the safety of others in high-risk environments. Let me know if you'd like further details or specific examples.